In this video, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of using an existing post in your ads and how to set them up. I'm Mark Thompson, the shop owner of EasyChew, the place for small businesses and startups turn for affordable and effective growth on social. So if you're an entrepreneur or marketeer looking for growth hacks and ways to constantly improve your campaigns, you'll really enjoy this stacking method. So by the time you finish watching this, you'll know how to use and deploy this simple hack, which I use to get 10 times more ad engagement for my clients at no extra cost. So you may have seen posts on your Facebook feed and Instagram that have thousands upon thousands of likes, comments and shares. The chances are that those people are using the existing post in their ads, meaning instead of making new copy and creative each time, they keep the exact same ad and show the ad across different audiences. So what they're doing is they're split testing against each other in terms of demographics, locations, interests, etc. But they're only using one ad that is circulated differently across those different formats. So put simply, instead of having hundreds of ad sets pointing to hundreds of copies of the same ad, you're going to point all of your ad sets to a single ad. Deploying this won't take more than a couple of minutes, and the results will be visible within 24 hours, and you'll get more engagement, likes, comments, shares, which will result in even more engagement, which ultimately results in higher click-through rate, lower CPM, lower CPC, lower CPA, and more revenue. So how do you do it? This method applies only to the newsfeed placement on both Facebook and on Instagram. So step one, what you need to do is locate the post ID. First, you need to navigate to the page post section on Facebook Ads Manager. You can find the page post section in the menu section of your Ads Manager. Next, you'll want to locate the post ID for an ad that's performing really well. If you don't already have a good ad with a good amount of social proof, you want to create a dark post and work on obtaining some likes, comments and shares. Step two, create a new ad. Once you've located the ID, it's time to create a new ad. This can be used in any ad sets, new ad sets or existing ones, or even new campaigns with completely different objectives. Then creating the post is where the secret lies. From here, you'll select use existing post, then under that, select a page post section. There's a link that says enter post ID. Go ahead and click on that link and then copy and paste the post ID and hit submit. After you've done that, it's time to submit for approval. So then step three, you need to split test. Now that you've created a campaign and it's been approved, I highly recommend duplicating this ad set and testing it across multiple different audiences. Keep in mind that the copy and the creative will always be the same as the original advertisement. This one tip should really help you leverage those high-performing posts and make the most out of any social proof you may have already gained on them. Keep in mind you can use a post ID as much and as often as you like. So when you start to see one audience experience some fatigue, you can now switch it up and pitch the post to a fresh audience with a already socially primed post. If Facebook and Instagram ads aren't for you, I totally understand. I also made a video on the best strategy for growing your Instagram in 2020 without spending a penny. You can check that out below. As always, a massive thank you to the NHS. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. It's the best way to support these free marketing videos. As always, stay safe. Thank you very much.